Hello friends, welcome to my channel Gems Crush. Today I am going to share an exciting video which will give you a lot of information of getting profit. Our today's project is a great online earning project that will provide you the tips of online earning. How can you earn online by just joining this network? So here you can watch my channel. You need to subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you can get the information about upcoming videos and projects. Now we go toward our main project. Here you can watch our project name is Home Mars. So you can watch here our project name has been present here, farming rewards as you go. So you can watch here the Home Mars contract address has been present here. You can copy this address and you can go to the network so that you can buy this token. Here you can watch more information about them. Home Mars are developed only on one basis, which is to create demand over supply of the token. Here you can watch the all information about them will be provided to here. For the past year we have seen a lot of new tokens emerge in the market. All of it is targeted usage from their point of view with lots of ornament to entertain those that see. So you can watch here all information about them will be given to you in their white paper. You can join them for getting more information about them. I am going to show you their white paper so that you can get more information about them. Here you can watch join to colony. You can watch here the stay up to date on the latest information and new by joining the Home Mars community. So you can watch here their social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Telegram and other has been present here. You can click on the Telegram link so that you can join them and follow them on Twitter so that you can get more information about them. Here you can watch their tweets has been done. Homage is also present, the only token that divided by community and focusing on usage before launch. So you can watch here the Home Mars has been present here. Their upcoming events information has been shared to you here. Top Shiller contest has been present. So you can watch here the diamond hand holders contest is also present. So you can watch here the all information about them has been provided to here. Something big coming soon, so that you can watch. They have provided you the information about their upcoming events, and here you can watch the white list will be given to you in 22 days. Here you can watch the more information about them has been provided to you. Here you can go back toward your main project. You can watch here the what makes Home Mars different. So you can watch here the white paper will be given to you here. All the tokenomics will be present here. You can watch the reflection reward. A hold farming reward structure automatically distributes 4% tax on every transaction automatically with only holding Home Mars token. So you can watch here the liquidity pool supply will be 2% will be sent to the liquidity pool. Here you can watch the depreciative supply tax that have been sent to burn address from time to time will significantly grow the value of their help. Here you can watch the marketing portion has been provided to you here with a self-stunning system fee that goes to marketing. The wallet will support Home Mars huge marketing planning, and it has also been used for manual buyback in order to pump the value. So you can watch here the partnerships are also present. 2% of the partnership profit will be given to you here. Those selected a partner will get 2% reward from the total transaction from the service they offer to Home Mars. So you can watch here the all information about them has been provided to you here. Here you can watch the MetaMask SHA-NFT, so that is coming soon so that you can get more information about them. Here you can watch the Home Mars wallet is also coming soon that will provide you a lot of security for your transaction wallet. Store digital collectibles like NFT, buy, sell, trade or transfer to someone else or even to another wallet you own. Make crypto exchange, send and receive digital money to and from other people. So you can watch here the CoinGecko, Coin Market Cap, Polygon Scan and Fresh Coins are also present. All the procedure of earning has been provided to you in this video. The Home Mars token is a community driver fair launch DeFi token for simple function occur during each trade. Reflection, LP accumulation, burn and contribution to the ecosystem growth fund will be provided to you here. All the information about them will be provided to you on their social media platform. So you can join them on their email address so that you can get more information about their product, and all information about Home Mars will be given to you in this video. All the portion of earning will be provided to you here. You can watch the roadmap and all information about their how to buy is also present here. You can watch the how to buy roadmap is also present. How to buy important steps before you start buying. So you can watch here the one you need to have MetaMask wallet. Here you can watch the setup to MetaMask wallet, and you can watch this video so that you can get more information about them. Now you are ready to put your name in your pre-sale list. Go to the given link and watch here the white paper, and all information about them will be provided to you. You can register to the pre-sale. So here you can watch the buying homepage Mars on 28th March 2022. Here you can watch the buy on pre-sale will be a bit complicated. Here you can watch the all information about them has been provided to you here. Transferring the Matic in the Binance to MetaMask. Here you can watch how to transfer. Here you can watch the stay connected with us, and all information about them will be provided to you in this procedure. Here you can watch their roadmap has been provided to you here. You will get the all information about their product, and all the procedure will be given to you in their roadmap. Here you can watch the concept of participating in all the blockchain transaction will be given to you here. Smart contract audit will be given to you. Here you can watch their more information. All the procedure will be given to you in their roadmap. So you can watch here the all information about them has been provided to you here. Here you can watch their white paper will be given to you here. All the procedure will be given in their white paper, and all information about them will be provided to you here. Here you can watch their FAQs are present here that are recently asked questions, so that you can get more information about them. Here you can watch 4% reflection, 2% liquidity, 1% burn, and marketing wallet is also present, and contract address has been provided to you here. What is marketing wallet, and all information about them has been provided to you here. You can read it carefully and get all the information. So if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and join this network for getting more profit and get earn.